Welcome. In this video we are going to look at the basic structure of the for loop in JavaScript. So basically a for loop in JavaScript has this structure. It starts with a keyword for, then the round brackets and the curly brackets. Within the round brackets we have the initialization, we have the test statement that we want to test, and we have the iteration statement. And within the curly brackets, we have the block of code that we want to iterate. For example, imagine that we want to iterate over a range of 0 to 3 or 5. So the loop statement would start with the for keyword, then the round brackets. So within this, we would have let I equals 0. Then while I is less than 5, we want to iterate the I with 1. So then this is the statement that we want to iterate. So we want to console log I. Then we save, and this is the output. We have the i's within the range of 0 to 5. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like the video and to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.